Hello students, how are you? Today I'm going to discuss the butterfly story. Already I made one video on this chapter, and today I'm going to make video number 2, the butterfly's story. Okay, now I'm going to start this chapter. Okay, we know very well, here is a brief conversation. Here is a man who was watching the butterfly continuously, and he after watching he thought something, and he realized something, and he did something. Which type of incident happened when a man was going, and which type of things he saw? Now I'm going to discuss it. Try to understand the concept of this story. Then you can do it very well in the examinations. Now I'm going to start this para. Try to understand it. A man found a coconut of a butterfly. Which type of things? Which type of things he found? A man found a coconut. Which type of things he found? A man find a coconut. A man found a coconut of a butterfly. Which type of things he found? Coconut found. Okay. Who found? A man found. Question may be asked in the examination. Which type of things a man found? Then you will then you will take the correct answer. Which type of things the man found? Then you will write. You will take the correct answer. Coconut. Okay. A man found a coconut of a butterfly. Okay. Who found? Then you will write alternative questions will be asked in the examination. Who found? Then you will tick in the correct answer. A man found. Okay. In this way, the question will be asked in the examination. You will ready for the examinations. A man found a coconut of a butterfly. Who found? A man found. Which type of things found? Of a coconut of a butterfly found. Okay. One day a small opening appeared. Which type of things appeared? A small opening appeared. We know very well which type of opening. Opening means to totally open. The one day a small opening appeared means he saw opening appeared. Okay, who saw? A man. He sat and watched the butterfly for several hours. Who sat? The man sat. And who watched? The man watched. To whom? The butterfly. For how many hours? Several hours. Okay. He sat and watched the butterfly for several hours. Okay. From this line, question may be asked in this way. Who sat? Then you will write. You will take the correct answer. The man sat. Okay. Watch the butterfly. Who watched to whom? Then you will write the correct answer. The man watched to butterfly. The man watched to butterfly. For how many hours? The man watched for several hours. In this way, question will be asked. He sat and watched the butterfly for several hours as it struggles to squeeze its body through the teeny hole. It means what? I to understand. The hole was very teeny. Okay, and he wants to enter into the hole, but he was unable to enter it as it struggled to squeeze its body through the teeny hole, because the hole was very teeny, and these things was seen by the man. After that, then it stopped as if it could not go further. It means what? The hole was very small. The butterfly was unable to go into that hole. It was very difficult things for butterfly. After that, so the man decided to help the butterfly. The question will be asked, who decided to help the butterfly? Then you will take in the correct answer. The man decided to help the butterfly. To whom the butterfly? He took a pair of scissors. Who took? The man took. Which type of things was taken by the man? The scissor was taken by the man. He took a pair of scissors and snipped off the remaining bits of cocoon. You know very well, cocoon means what? A silky case spun by the larva of many insects of protections in the pupa stage. This is called cocoon. They snip the remaining bits of cocoon. It means what? Butterfly was helped by the man because butterfly wants to enter into the hole, but he was unable to enter it. On that situation, the man helped him. The butterfly emerged easily, but it had a woolen body and shriveled wings. It means what? The body was woolen. That's why he shriveled wings. Okay. So today I have discussed till here. In next video I will discuss next part of this para. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe of this channel, and don't forget to like it. Thanks for watching.